Good evening, Jaswant, Abhishek, hi, Tarun, hello. Am I audible? आवाज सही आ रही है? Means am I audible to all of you? Kishore, hi. Santosh, hi. Tarun, hello. Good evening, Kotapalli. Hi, Venu Kumar, Harshal, hello. Santosh, hi. Hello, Bikavili. Kotapalli. Okay, so guys, let us start this session. Basically, first of all, to start this session, I would like to tell you that this session is related to foolproof plan means from the starting of preparation till test series before exam, each and everything I am going to cover here. That how you shall prepare and why you shall prepare in this way with scientific proofs I am going to tell you. Okay, guys. And the second thing, a small introduction of mine. My name is Dheeraj Sardana. I have completed my MTech from NIT Bhopal. And guys, I'm teaching for GATE and engineering services for more than last 8 years. And I have written many research papers. I qualified nearly all the exams, for example, GATE, ESC, and all. And with a very good rank, you can say under single or double digit. In some examination, it is double digit. Some examination, it is single digit. Also, I've written more than 50 research papers and review papers, which are in paid journals. Some of them are in unpaid journal also. Okay. My voice is echoing. I'm okay. Now it will not echo. So now it is clear. Yes, Raman, I was teaching there. I feel in offline you might be knowing because of that. Now everything is okay. My video is visible to you. Sejal Joy, sound and video are clear so that we can start this session. Good evening, Leela, Sridhar Gupta, good evening, Devarati, good evening. Okay, Greshan Deepak, good evening. So, Venu Kumar, hi. Ankit, good evening. Yes, Raman, good evening. Rohan, Sridhar, okay, nice. Okay, okay, Raman, you have studied strength of material from me. That's nice. Okay, good, Rohan, thanks for that. Jay, good evening. Neha, good evening. Okay, so my photo is visible to you or not? Dear, it is for all the branches you can see, okay. But yes, I basically related to mechanical engineering, but otherwise, yes, Arshal, I know 200 days left. Good evening, Dontula. Dear, I'm going to cover each and everything, okay. I am fine, Jay. So we are going to cover each and everything, not only how to revise the thing. I'm going to tell you from notes making to test series, each and everything, how you shall go for. Kawati Prashant, hi. Yes, I will be going in English only. Don't worry, I am not going to go in Hindi. Don't worry, I know English is suitable for all. So, guys, let us start now. So, I was introducing myself. My name is Dheeraj Sardana, and I have done my master's from NIT Bhopal. And I've cracked GATE as well as many examinations like ISRO, BARC, and many examinations like NICL. Okay, many times and with single or double digit ranks. Okay, and guys, I'm teaching from more than last 8 years, so big experience with many number of students. And every year, my dear, single or double digit ranks are there from my batches. So I have that experience of teaching to the students as well as to give post gate guidelines, all of those things, so I can help you in all of that. And guys, let us start now. I'm going to start with starting from notes preparing through the classes till the test series before examination. And there are some basic things we are going to start with. So dear, it was something about me, and I also mentioned that I have written many research and review paper. You can search on Google. You will get many of my papers which are in unpaid and paid journal. Definitely, you cannot see that. Those are in Science Direct and all. Okay. Uh, Okay, nice. So Hasiba is saying, sir, how much time will it take to cover whole syllabus? Dear, I'm going to cover each and everything. Don't worry. Basically, for GATE, if you want to know, 5 to 6 months are more than enough to do the syllabus completely for GATE. For engineering service, it requires somehow more time. Thanks, Bikavili, for your excitement. Okay, so guys, for any background, whichever background you are from mechanical, EC, electronic, electrical, civil, whatever be, guys, the strategy is going to be same. So very first thing, guys, the students are worried about that how you shall prepare the notes because yes, Shailesh, hello. When we go for coaching, guys, our target is that we shall not go for the textbooks more because when we are going for textbook, it is a very time taking process. For example, if you are going to study the textbook of the subjects, it may take more time to prepare, and definitely those students who go for self preparation, they go for 2 to 3 years for any examination. But at the same time, if somebody is going for coaching, he is able to prepare in 6 to 9 months for GATE and 9 to 12 months for engineering services. So here the reason is because whatever the task which is time taking of textbooks, that is basically you are outsourcing to us. Okay, so you will be getting the maximum out of which out of those textbooks so that whatever is required in your examination. So that is the very first thing how you shall prepare the notes because whatever you are going to study is only from your notes only. If you are going to study from the textbook, then there is no use of coaching. Okay, so if you are attending our classes, this is our duty to give you each and everything whatever is required for examination for your notes. Okay, so what will be champion study plan which is going to, dear, that also will be discussed in the next session, but this session is related to something that is foolproof plan to get top rank. So first let us discuss about this, then Yuvraj, I will be telling you about that also. Okay. Yes, Jay Kumar, after so many days, we are here, but don't worry, we will be meeting for other subjects also. So, as I told you guys, how you shall prepare the notes so that they can help you. Dear, it is valid for all the branches. Pushpavati, it is valid for all the branches because notes making is there in every branch, revision is there in every branch, test series is there in every branch. So, they are general discussion which will be helpful to you. Okay. Okay, dear. So let us start. Don't worry that champion study plan, what you are talking about, those all the faculties will be going with that, depend on the time and all. Okay. So let's start, guys, with this. The very first thing, as I told you, your notes should be easy to understand. Here, I wanted to say, guys, sometimes when we prepare the notes, when we are going to prepare the notes, we shall prepare in that way that is, it should be easy to understand. Means we shall write the things in our language. For example, there are some typical words, if they are coming, we are not getting the meaning of them. We can go through our language, means whatever the native language you are having. If you know Hindi very well, then you can write in Hindi some of the points. If you feel that they are not understood in the language given by the faculty or in the language which you are getting in the textbook. So first thing is you shall make it in that way that it should be easy to understand for you. Okay. And second is time saving. When we are going to make notes, some students have a habit that they write it in terms of books. Guys, if you are going to make the notes in a way that it is like books, then it is going to be wastage of time. Then what is the meaning of making the notes? Okay, so it should be time saving, means you shall write in the format of points, in the short forms, in the points you shall write the notes, and you need not to write those points which are not required. Okay, so Vishnu, I don't know why you are saying I'm not visible, because I am visible from here, I can see. So guys, please tell me, am I visible to you or not? Is 6 months is time really? Yes, dear Chandrasekhar, 6 month time is very much enough to prepare for GATE. But guys, mind it, this is the last time when you can start the preparing. If you are going to have less than 6 months, then it is going to be difficult. And as the time will be reducing, it is going towards impossible. But guys, minimum time required to get a very good single digit rank is 6 months is okay. 6 to 9 months I said in general. Okay. So if you are going for 6 months, definitely you need to work some hard rather than those students who have prepared, who have started the preparation 1 year back before or 1.5 years before. Okay. Okay, nice. So dear, first thing is your notes should be easy to understand. It should be time saving, and spiral notes why I have written, because guys, if you are going to yes, dear Bikavili, these are equally valid for all of you. whether you are working professional or not, because that's why I am saying, because if you are working professional, you are not having that much time to go through the books. That's why when you are going to make notes, make them in this way. And third point, I'm saying spiral notes. Why? Because if you are working in spiral notes, if someday you know some other things related to that topic from any other source which you need to add into your notes, from spiral you can easily add pages, you can easily remove those pages which are not good, which you want to remove. But if you are normal notebook, it will be very difficult. So guys, spiral notes are going to be helpful in that way. Okay. So these are the first three points, and next I'm going to tell you some other points also which are going to help you. Next is basically, guys, when you're going to prepare the notes, you can use colored pens so that to make it to give it visual appealing, so that आपका पढ़ने का मन करे, so that you want to study those notes that is required. It should be clean and clear. Then guys, concept, fact and formula I have written, because there are some conceptual things, some facts, some formulas and some figures. And guys, out of these, some are those easy things which we always remember, so need not to mention those things in the notes. But guys, otherwise all the important formulas, all the figures, for example, I've written normal and critical. So critical, every critical formula, every critical fact and figure should be there in the notes. And guys, the normal things which you know from very basic, from your childhood, that you need not to write there. For example, in some derivation, Pythagoras theorem is used. You all guys knows that Pythagoras theorem, what it is. So need not to write such kind of formulas. You need to write critical concepts which you are learning in engineering, which you feel you can definitely, which are there and required for the examination. Dear, okay, you are asking, I feel, Chandrasekhar. Dear, I am talking about the classes only, because nowadays, because of COVID-19, every student is going to prepare from online classes only. So from online classes, how you shall prepare the notes, that's what I am telling. And guys, because whether you have joined grade up or not, but you shall make the notes in that way, because guys, whenever we are going to revise, 5 to 6 revisions are required before the examination. And for 5 to 6 revision, you shall have something to study, and you cannot go through 6 books, every book once in a year, you cannot go, guys. So that is better to have all the points in the notes. And as you have outsourced the work of studying textbook to us, because if you have joined grade up, it is the duty of faculty that we will be giving you each and everything whatever is required. You need not to go for any textbook. And if you are going for that, then what is the meaning of taking the coaching? I will be telling you how you shall use the textbooks also, if you still want to. Okay. So Chandrasekhar, it is related to classes. It is not related to books. That okay. You need not to say that. Okay. So are you getting it? Please tell me, guys. Okay. So dear, next is make notes during video rather than last. Guys, this is a very important point. Now I'm going to tell you for both kind of students who are attending the live sessions or who are attending the recorded session. These 2 points are for both of you. Okay, please understand carefully. When you are going to see the recorded session, there is no issue. Basically, some students have a habit that they see the video first 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, then they start making notes. Don't do like that, guys. Make the notes during the classes only. For example, if you are going for recorded session, you are understanding the things, and at the same time, by stopping the lecture for in between, sometimes you just write down the points whatever you feel that you shall write. Guys, whenever we teach, we do not write each and everything on the slides or the board. So you shall take care of that when you are making notes. Those points which we are telling, but we are not writing on the board, you shall make notes of that also. And guys, a recorded session, it is very easy to make the notes. But okay, one more question is there, sir. Some suggestion for the ones who cannot take up the online classes because of internet restrictions. Okay, dear, then definitely you will be preparing from the textbooks only. Then you shall go for some handwritten notes. They are available online. You can download them for them from the Google. Then you shall prepare with that, or you can see the recorded session. If internet problems are there, okay, definitely then you cannot do like that. Then in that case, you shall go with the handwritten notes. Or if some recorded sessions are available in any format, like pen drive courses or app or any other thing, you can go for that also. Okay. Dear, you know that GATE examination is generally in February, na? February 1st and 2nd weekend. You can see nearly 6 months are there with you. Dear, when you are talking about this, I am coming to that point what you are talking about. Okay, I am coming on to that. Just give me 5 to 7 more minutes. I am coming on to your point. So guys, this was about recorded session. But live session have their own importance. For example, in recorded session, you can see the session, you can make the notes, okay, but you cannot ask doubts from the faculty. So I would always recommend that you shall come for the live session only. Then what you shall do during live session, because if something left, if some point you are not able to write, then first thing guys, what you can do, first of all, whenever you are going to do the live lecture, you shall write all the points in general, whatever you can write. But if some point is missed out, you just stick on to your page, and whenever the live session is over and whenever there are recorded sessions are available, you can go to that time. You can write that time, that 1 hour, after 1 hour, or after 15 minutes, or at 20 minutes, or 37 minutes, that thing you have forgot. So you go for the recorded session and just write those points which are left during the live classes. And otherwise, when I take live classes, I have seen whenever you say I stopped during that. Also, sometimes I give you time for the screenshots. You can take that also. But as I told you, there are something more than on written. Whatever I say when I teach you, I tell you more points. All the points are not written on the slide. So for that purpose, better than this, whenever you are going for live session, write down all the points I am telling, and the point which you forgot, or the points which are written on the slide, you can go afterward during the recorded session, and during live session you can write at your notes where the point you have skipped the point. Just write down the time of the video, that 17 minutes and 30 seconds one point has left there. So you can go through recorded session and then you can again make that into your notes. But guys, always go for live session, because in live session if you are there at that time, you can ask doubts, which is a very important part of this grade up classes. Otherwise, recorded sessions uh, is not the feature of our course majorly, because majorly we say live it is. Yes, recorded are available to you if something left for you guys. But if you're not taking the advantage of this feature, then I feel it is wasted. Because guys, this is the main feature of our course, that live you can ask anything to your faculty. Okay, so that was I wanted to say. So this is how you shall make the notes during. Okay, so easily understood होने चाहिए. This should be easily understood. Colored pen is for visual appeal. Okay, and during video you shall make notes not after 20 to 25 minutes, just whenever you are looking on the things, when you are learning the things, at the same time you shall make the notes. Okay, and you shall make it in your language. There is no need to think about English or any other specific language. You can go for any of the language, because even in interviews you are allowed to answer in any of the language, means Hindi or English, whatever the examiner also knows. Okay, the next thing is, whenever we are talking about objective and conventional, here whenever you are going to make the notes, for objective and conventional both may have different strategies. Okay, if you are going for self notes, I am telling you that for objective, generally derivation parts are not much required, paragraph portions are not much required, only basic concepts, formulas, facts and figures are required. But whenever you are going for conventional preparation, then you need to go for some paragraph type of things, because you need to attempt the questions in 30-40 marks. So there more detailed part of writing theory is required, but in objective it is not much required. But guys, during class time you shall make the notes in that way that each and every point should be covered. But when you are segregated, when you are going to separate this objective and conventional preparation, at that time guys, for conventional you can add some theory part which is extra, which you feel that papers are asking or examinations are having those kind of questions, then you can add them. Otherwise, class notes should be one only. But after that, you can, if you are going for some short notes kind of thing, then for short notes, objective, you can go for short notes. Conventional short notes are not useful. For conventional, you need to have your complete notes only. Sometimes student ask related to short notes, sir, okay, I am fine, Mahesh. Sorry, I have not seen your message. Sir, is it true that most of the GATE questions are came from standard textbook? Yes, dear, it is correct, but they are not having the same data. First time coming in your YouTube. Thanks, Mahesh. Devarati, sir, your audio is not clear. Dear, my voice is clear or not? Please tell me. Okay. Okay, voice is slow. Okay, Piyush Gupta. How to avoid negative? I am telling about that also, guys. Okay, Mahesh, I am coming to your point also. Okay, dear. So now it is clear or not, guys? Please tell me. I am once again basically maybe some problem in the jack. I now I am again applying. So Sam, now it's okay. Please tell me now it's okay. Now it's okay. It's not okay yet. Okay, let me do one thing. Just give me a second. Sorry guys, I have not seen the message because I feel that everything is going okay. Okay. So now, is it okay or not? Please tell me. Still low voice? I don't know why it is so because voice is full from both the sides. Jack is okay. Everything is okay and I'm taking the classes the same setup and in none of the day that problem occur. Okay, let me change an headphone. Just give me a minute guys. Just give me a minute. Okay. So now it is okay. Okay. Now I'm changing the headphones. So guys, now my voice is clear. Please tell me. Now it is coming okay or not? Please tell me. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, dear. So now let us continue. Okay, nice, 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 guys. Okay, nice, guys. So let us continue with that. So I feel till now the points are clear to you how to make the notes. I feel so. So guys, I was telling you related to the notes. Okay, I am in brief. I am revising or repeating again so that if anybody is having any doubt in that, you shall clear it, guys. It is a very important thing what I am discussing here. So as I told you, first thing your notes should be easy to understand. As I told you, first thing your notes should be easy to understand. When I am saying easy to understand, it should be in your language. It should not be like that in books. For example, some things are written but we don't know the meaning of that. It should not be like that. Second thing, time saving. It should be in short. Paragraphical notes should be avoided. Spiral notes, as I told you, so that you can add or subtract the pages whenever it is required. Okay. And then next point I told you guys. Next point I told you guys, that is related to colored pens. That is to make it basically to improve the so that you should have an intention to study again and again. Those notes should be wonderful to give some visual appeal to them. And guys, next is concept, fact, formula and figure. As I told you, notes should have the important concepts, facts, formulas and figures. Normal things you shall not write. For example, whenever you are going to use Pythagoras theorem, you need not to write the formula. When you're using easy integration like integration of x to the power n is equals to x to the power n plus 1 and if these things you remember from the childhood, from the plus 1 plus 2 class, so these things you need not to write again and again. So these kind of formulas can be skipped. Okay, those normal things can be skipped, but every critical formula, every critical fact and figure you shall write. And guys, as I told you, make notes during the video rather than the last. Some students first of all attend the lecture 1 hour, then they make the notes. Definitely many of the points are going to left. So dear, if you want to make the notes, make it during the classes only. Okay, and if you're going for recorded session, there is no issue. Obviously you can stop whenever you want, but write each and every point what faculty is saying, because guys, everything we cannot write on to the board or the slide. So whenever we teach you something, please write whatever we are saying, not only those parts which are written on to the PPTs or PDFs or whatever on the board. That is not enough. Okay, otherwise it will be only short notes like kind of things. Okay, so please have that thing in your mind whenever you make the notes. And if you're going for the live session, I already told you, you just whatever you have attended, write each and everything whatever is possible for you. And otherwise, let us say at 17 minutes and 20 seconds you left one point, just mention this time on your textbook, sorry, on your notebook, and whenever the classes are over, go for recorded session and add those points which are skipped during the live session, because live sessions are helpful when you can ask the doubts also. So always prefer the prefer the live sessions if it is possible for you, and go in that way. Okay guys, I already mentioned you, if you have attended the, if you are joining the grade up, so obviously the task of studying books you have outsourced to us. So you now need not to go for that textbook study, you need to just refer our notes, that will be more than enough. Next, I told you dear, after class notes, if you want to make some separate notes, because some of the students are having the habit of writing, because from childhood we know that whenever we write something, we can retain it up to more time. And also that was the reason, dear, if you are going for green card, you shall take it now only, because after the course is not a good idea, because during the course whenever some subject is completed, Mahesh, you shall go for the test of those subjects. So it should be, I feel you are already late by 2 months, I will say that. Okay, so next thing, okay guys, in between because of some reasons I feel I was unable to see your doubts and all. If you have asked something and I have not answered, you can ask it again. Okay, and sorry for the inconvenience occur guys, because sometimes these things occur, but guys, whatever I'm telling you today you will not get in any other session. It is very important for you guys. Okay, so if you're going to make notes again, then whenever you are going for conventional notes and objective notes have one difference. Basically, when you're going for Snehal, for that you shall contact to the grade up team. Okay, when you will be contacting with the grade up team, or you can contact through the website also, their numbers will be given to you, है ना? They will be telling you how to go for green card. I can tell you the procedure means, otherwise you have to go with the website and take help from the management people. If when you will be giving them the message or mail, they will be reverting back to you. Okay, Snehal, okay, nice. So dear, whenever you are going for conventional and objective separately, I would like to tell, if you are going for short notes are helpful in objective. Okay, they are not helpful in conventional, because in conventional you need to have each and every point in the great detail, the complete derivations are required. So whenever you are going to make the notes, they are helpful, short notes are helpful in objective only. For conventional, no need to go for short notes, their strategy is different. And you know, nowadays for ESC conventional we have 6 months, so I will prefer that first you shall prepare for objective only, and for conventional we will prepare when we will be qualifying the objective paper. Okay, because for that we are already having 6 months, which is a very big time for conventional. Yes, in our time when we have qualified ESC examination, at that time there were 3 days only for the complete paper, so we have to prepare them together. You need not to go for that. Yes, Harshal is saying something, I feel Mahesh, it will be helpful to you. Harshal is saying something, you can see that. Okay, next is guys, underline important notes. So guys, whenever you are going to make the notes, you shall keep one thing in your mind, that your notes shall be basically, in a way that which are basically pictographic, I will say. Okay, they should be pictographic. What do you mean by pictographic? You shall underline the important things, okay, you shall highlight the important formulas, okay, these kind of things you shall do. That is going to make your notes more useful for you, okay. And the most important point now I am coming to, guys, the most important point now I am coming to, okay, that is basically 80-20 rule. That is 80-20 rule. What do you mean by 80-20 rule? Guys, it is very, very important. Whenever you prepare notes, let us say you are making notes and let us say this is the outline of your page. Okay. So in your page, you shall write the things only up to 80% of the page. This 80% part you use for writing. This 20% you leave. In these 20% you can go for many things. For example, when you are going for some kind of preparation or some kind of previous year's question or some kind of questions related to the concept you are having on this page, and if you are making mistake in some of the areas, you can mention that mistake here. If you want to notify in this page what is the most important part, you can mention that also. Also some important point related to the concept you have dealt here, you can mention that here. Okay, if some additional note point you want to add, for example, out of these things, this is limitation, this is restriction, such kind of thing you can write here. So this is for making your study errorless. Okay, whenever you are going to prepare questions, make questions, you will be making some of the mistake, you can mention that mistake here. Or let us say I am taking an example, maybe all of the branches understand that thing. For example, whenever you study some of the subject, in every subject sometime you study 4 to 5 types of solving one question. Then for example, let us say you are having, for example, I am taking an example from my branch. For example, when we go for strength of material, in deflection of beams we are having many methods. For example, double integration method, okay, then Macaulay's method, then Mohr moment area method, and every method have its own specialty in some special kind of question. For example, some one method may be helpful in one kind of question, other method is helpful for other kind of question. So let us say on this page I am doing method number 1. So you can write here that which kind of problems you can use this method. So these 20% portion is going to help you to train you for the questions. So guys, please tell me whether you're getting these things or not, and don't think that these things are useless. Once you will be using this thing, guys, you are going to get maximum out of it, and then you will remember me that sir has given us some good guidelines, because guys, these things are very important for competitive examination. It may not seem to seems very useful to you in the starting, but when you will be going for the final touch of the preparation, then you will feel that it was most required thing, because then you will be searching for different points. Some points you will get in one notebook, some points you will get in another notebook. For some points you need to search for the textbooks. And guys, for example, sometimes in the holidays we need to go home. We cannot go home with the 5 books per subject, but we can go with our notes with to our home. Some situations sometimes occur in our life, we need to go in emergency urgently, then we can have the notes with us. So guys, these things are going to help you in a great way. So let us discuss next. Dear 80-20 law, I already told you. Next is basically summary revision sheet. Dear, you remember whenever I was teaching you production, after welding I told you which are the topics from which the questions are asked. So after every chapter, leave one page, and on that page write down the important topics on which GATE has asked majorly questions, ESE has majorly asked the question. So guys, in this you are going to mention those topics. For example, let us say you are talking about some chapter. That chapter is completed. In the last page you will write the topics in the decreasing order. When you will be preparing, you will be going for previous year's question. You will be knowing that 50% questions are asked from this topic only. Write that topic first. 30% from second topic. Right there. 20% from this topic, mention that only important topics, guys. Then whenever you will be going for the revision, you will be knowing that you have to go for more emphasis on these topics because they are asked more. Then there is, as I already mentioned, visual appealing, that is color pen, I already mentioned. The next thing is color coding. What do you mean by color coding? You can go in such way, okay, thanks Kana Prakash. So when I am saying about color coding, what does that mean? Dear, that mean, for example, when you are going to write the question, you can go with the black pen for the normal question. for very good questions which you are unable to make during the test or unable to make during previous year's gate question, unable to make during practice, mention them or write those questions with the red pen. That red color is basically some that red color is basically show something related to that danger. So dear, that those questions may be referred as dangerous question. So whenever you're going for attempting any paper, you will be having those questions in a very nice manner, because you know these are the problems where you always need to work hard because you forget the things. Okay, so for good question you can use different color pens. Okay, that is going to help you in one or another way. It is said to be good management only. Okay, then I would tell you one more thing, guys, after that, related to test series. Okay guys, so I would like to tell you, just once your notes is completed, one page was for the important topics, then leave 3 to 4 pages after every chapter. 3 to 4 pages leave after every chapter. Why? Dear, when you will be going for, okay sir, sometime I am not getting the concepts after spending a lot of time, so I just leave the concept at that time and leave it because I have wasted a lot of time to get the concept. What should we do? Dear, first of all, if you are attending the live session, then you can ask the faculty. If you are going for recorded session, then also in grade up team you can ask that thing, or whenever that faculty comes for any other subject you can go for that also, or you can see the recorded session again and again for that. But still, if you have any problem, guys, then as I told you, you need not to go for textbook for complete purpose, for complete chapter. But if you have any kind of doubt, for example you are studying one chapter and one topic you are unable to make the questions, then for that topic you can either refer to some of the YouTube lectures or some of the textbook or some of your friend who have taken classes from anywhere else, whatever is feasible for you. Okay, or definitely you can contact with us also. If it is related to my subject, I always give my students to my email ID also, so that they can directly contact with me. Okay, so don't worry about that. Those things can be sorted out. Don't leave the concept and don't waste your time. If you feel problem in 1 or 2 times, just refer us now. We are here for you. If you have outsourced this task, this work to us, then no need to worry. And if you are going for self preparation, guys, then also you can go for some YouTube lectures for that, some of your friend for that, and doubt sessions we are always available on grade up. If you will be posting your doubt, you may get the videos out of that. Okay, so don't worry about that. So please tell me, Dev, you got it my point or not? Okay, good. Okay, so dear, now related to basically test series. So as I told you, one page you shall write. Okay, one more question, Shubham. Sir, if I am unable to solve previous gate questions, so should I go for practice questions from any source? Dear, first thing you shall go for previous year's gate question only, because without them you cannot go for anything. First thing is previous year's gate question only, then you shall go for practice question or quizzes which are available here. And if you are unable to make them, it means you are not good conceptually, then you shall see the lectures again related to that topic. Okay, and still you are unable, then definitely there is some problem in the concepts, because without previous years you cannot move anywhere else. So first previous years question you shall do after studying the theory notes, then you shall go for practice question, and then after practice question, guys, you shall go for the test series. Okay, so here I am telling you how you shall prepare with that. One more question, sir. How could I get previous year's gate question topic wise on grade up? Dear, I feel on grade up they are right now they are available in year wise format, but topic wise you can download from other website, because they are available at many of the platforms they are available. So Sai Teja, I don't know from which branch you are. If you are from mechanical, I can tell you various platform where it is available. Okay, I will be giving you my email ID. If you have any kind of query, you can contact me. I will be telling you the sources where you can download that. Okay, sir, can I leave some topic at this time, because time is a dear, time is not at all a constant, I would like to tell you. But still, if you are going to leave the topics, then definitely it will take some whenever you are asking. Then if you are going to leave some topic, you are going to suffer in marks also. Then if you have a target of PSU, then it is very difficult for you if you are leaving some topic. So I would recommend you go for maximum marks topic. Okay, if you want to leave some non-important topics only. Okay, otherwise I will say time is still very much So don't look at it in this way. Rather than that, provide some extra time from the holidays, like whenever you are having week offs, when you are having Deepavali holidays. So increase the time in some way. That will be better. Or if you want to leave unimportant topic, non-important topic. But guys, nowadays, GATE is asking from every area. Okay. Sir, when GradeUp is going to provide workbook? Guys, for that you shall contact with the team. Otherwise, till then you can go with the quizzes also, है ना? And you can ask your faculties who are teaching. They will be providing you some practice sheets till then. Dear, increase of speed is possible only with the practice. You must know practice makes a man perfect. So that is the only thing by which you can improve the speed, or by good conceptual clarity. If you have good conceptual clarity, your speed will automatically get increased. So dear, when I was telling about the related to test series, so as I already told you, first of all, you will be making now notes as per the classes. Then you will be solving the previous year's GATE question. Now students don't have idea how to do that. What students do basically, when they prepare 5 to 7 times, they go for each and every question again and again. No dear, for the first time you shall make all the GATE question from 1987 to 2020, every question. Okay, but whenever you are going for revision, for the first time when you have gone through, you will be having the problem in 20 to 30% of the problem. Those problems you shall encircled onto that book only. And whenever you are going for revision, go for only those 20 to 30% question, because rest 70% you are clear in the very first attempt only. Need not to waste your time in that. Then guys, you will be going for some practice set, like at GradeUp some quizzes are provided. I provide some practice sheet whenever I teach some subject to you. So guys, you shall go from that also. Then whatever are the questions you are having the problem in the very first time, those 10 to 20% question. Yes, Sai Teja, okay, you are from civil. How we should give test series, sir? I am telling Pavitra that thing also. Sir, how much score is good for getting PSU? Dear Dev, nowadays I shall say that it is not score. You shall talk about rank. If you are under 500, you will get something good. Okay. Best time to prepare mathematics. Dear, go for the Pauli holidays in maths and aptitude. That will be better. Or you can go for 1 hour daily if in that way you feel better. What should be the revision strategy? Guys, I'm telling on to that also. First, let me complete the notes part. How to avoid negatives? Dear, to avoid negative, there is only one way, one thing, that when you are going to practice the things, formula will be automatically remembered. And by doing that, definitely you can save your time. First thing, okay. Sir, these PYQ sequentially not getting, sir, from dear, you will be getting. There are many publications who are giving that previous year's questions from 1987 to 2020. Even on some website they are available for free. If you will be searching on Google, you will get that. Don't worry about that. Previous year's questions are available in many of the publications nowadays. You may get soft copy of that also. How the revision should be to revise? Dear, I am coming on to that revision part. First, let me complete this part. Yes, dear Adesh, 6 months is more than enough time to prepare for GATE, but it is less for engineering services. For engineering services, we require 9 to 12 months basically. But if you are going for 6 months, you need to work very hard. Okay, dear. So when we are going for that is okay, Adesh. Final year is the ideal time to do these things. So guys, whenever and if you are attending from second year, it is going to be best. Okay guys, when I am talking about the practice sheets, when you will be preparing them, you will be having 10 to 15% of the question which you have problems. And guys, there are some questions which are very good, you feel. Those questions from practice sheet and previous year's GATE, as well as when you are going for the test series. Those questions which you are unable to make for the first time, or you feel they are the new types which you have never asked in GATE, you shall add those questions into these 4 pages which you have left after every chapter. Okay, and sometime when you are going to add these questions, guys, if you are going to add this question from sheets or from some books, then you need not to write the statement of the book. What I follow, I am telling you that way, dear. My teacher told me that go by this way whenever I was in +1 and +2. As I was having HC Verma. So HC Verma, I would writing like this. I was writing the question number HC Verma, question number 25, page number 178. I write this thing. So if you are having that textbook or paper, then you need not to write the statement, save your time. If you don't have that, then you can write the statement. Okay, so add those questions into this 4 sheets which you have left after every chapter. They are going to help you whenever you are going to go for any kind of paper or test. Guys, you will be having these new types in your notes only. Just refer them before giving paper it is going to help you. Okay. So Dev is asking something. Sir, how much gap is acceptable after engineering? Which not? It is not like that, dear. But just only age limits are there. Gaps are acceptable only, but there are age limit 25 to 26 years. Many of the PSU are having this age limit. Sir, how much time duration I should give, sir? Now, dear, you shall give maximum out of whatever you are having. Okay. Whenever we love something, whenever we want something, for that we give our maximum. We do not count. For example, I am taking an example, don't take it otherwise. I always take this example and student laughs at this thing. Dear, whenever you are making some boyfriend or girlfriend, you talk to him or her throughout the night and you never think how much time you have wasted or you have given to them. Why? Because you love. And guys, similarly, if you want something or you love something, efforts are countless. Give whatever is possible from your side, so that after exam you shall not say that I could give better than this. You shall say this was the maximum I was having and I have given my maximum to this. Okay. Dear, possibility maybe GATE exam may postpone if semesters are postponed, but it is not confirmed yet. This last test series point is very helpful. Thank you very much. Okay, Harshal. How to remember difficult formula? Dear, to remember formula, the best way is to solve 4 to 5 questions onto that, because when you are going to mug up the formula, it is just like you are eating something which is not, your body is not accepting, then vomiting will occur. So better than that, guys, what you shall do, you shall do 4 to 5 questions on that formula. After second, third question, you will be having that formula in your mind, and whenever you go for revision, go for those questions. Formula will be revised automatically. Sir, now I have forgotten most of the basic concept. Can you please suggest me for this question? Shall I start with theory part? Dear, first of all, you shall go for theory part only, and I will be giving you revision strategy for that also. Don't worry. Sir, it is advisable to take mechanical as an optional. Yes, definitely you can go for that if you love technical. Okay, definitely. If you love technical, you can go for that, dear. So don't worry about that. Okay. So don't worry about that. Okay. Let us see. Sometime I don't get interest on GATE. I think going with some courses to make innovation. Dear, that is when you're talking about interest, I cannot say anything related to that because everybody has its own interest. But I will say when you are going to prepare technically, nothing is lovable than the technical part. I will say that. Okay. So definitely you shall go for whatever you love. Okay, that will be better for you. Deep, this class is related to revision strategy and preparation strategy for any competitive exam. So if you are related to SSCJ, then also it is helpful for you also. Okay. So Sudhindra Joshi, I will say if you are not getting any time interest into that, I feel you are not learning the things in a great way, because engineering and science itself is a lovable thing. So I don't feel that you shall you shall be in love with the engineering and every subject is lovable. But if your interest is not there, then I cannot say anything otherwise. It is a lovable thing. If you're learning the thing in a good way, then definitely it is going to help you. Okay, now I am coming to the revision strategy, guys. And when I am talking about the revision strategy, first of all, I am giving you the reason why revisions are required. So guys, you can see this curve based on a very psychologist research work. It is based upon. So guys, based on the research over thousands, lakhs of people, a curve was given by Ebbinghaus. It is known as Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. According to this curve, he said that whenever you learn something, immediately you remember 100% of it. Then after 20 minutes, you remember only 58%. After 1 hour, you remember only 44%. After 9 hours, you remember only 36%. After 1 day, 33%. After 1 month, 21%. So guys, if you're going to learn, and this is not your problem, this is the problem of every student. This is my problem also. This is problem of every researcher also. Okay, with 90-20 less or more, it is the problem of each and every person. Okay, and that is required also. If this is not with us, then definitely it is going to be very difficult for us, because some things are there in life which we shall forget only, otherwise they are going to create problems. But guys, there are something which you need to remember also. So those things which you need to remember, what we shall do, we shall recap those things by the revisions. Okay, so previous year's questions and test series is enough enough to get good rank? Dear, previous year's question practice sets which are provided to you in case of in terms of quizzes and test series, they are enough, but you shall go for two test series. I will say one is grade up test series which you are going with us, and second test series you shall take one more for more practice. Okay, otherwise if you have lesser time, if you are working professional, one test series is enough. But if you are not working professional, you are having more time, go for two test series. If you are going for gate, go for previous year's gate only. If you are preparing for ESC, go for previous years of gate as well as ESC. Okay, so dear, that is that technical curve which shows why revisions are required. Otherwise you are going to forget each and everything. And guys, this is with everybody, this is not with only you and only me. So that is good thing about this. So now I am telling you how you shall revise the things to get best out of it. So dear, for revision, what you shall do, I am telling you that. Dear, this is a rate of forgetting with study on repetition, and I am telling everything based on the research. Okay, technically I am not saying anything based on whatever is coming into my mind as other peoples are doing on the YouTube channel. So I am not doing that. I am telling you each and everything scientifically. So guys, what science says about that, whenever you are going to study the things, for example, today you have studied one topic. Okay, 7 to 9 you were having a class, you studied that thing. Okay, I'm telling Pavitra, please listen to me, your problem will be solved. Okay, you will be getting this thing if you're following me, your problem will be solved. So dear, first revision you shall go just after the class. First revision you shall go just after the class. Just after the class, it is going to be very very helpful. Just after the class, go for first revision. If your class is of 2 hours, definitely first revision may take 45 minutes to 60 minutes. First revision always is time taking. Okay, so then second revision, guys, as I am telling you, the second revision, that should be after one day. Means if today's class, tomorrow you shall revise that. And guys, when you will be going for second revision, you need to go only for 30 to 45 minutes. The time will be reduced, the efforts will be reduced, and many of the things you will be remembering at that time. Guys, then for the third revision you shall go within a week, mean after a week, after 1 week. Okay, so when you will be going for this revision, guys, now you will be requiring only 30 minutes at the max to revise that 2 hours topic. And guys, when you are going for the next revision, that will be after 1 month, and next revision will be after 3 months. And please mind that thing, dear, just follow me for 1 month. I am saying you will be in love with this technique. When you will be going for fourth revision, guys, 15 to 20 minutes will be enough, and when you will be going for fifth revision, you will be knowing each and everything, and it will be going like that some movie is going in your mind of those pages which are in front of you. You will be closing your eyes, and those photos of complete page you will be having in your mind, and you can tell each and every point as it is which is written into the books. And just feel, if you have revised in this way, whenever you will be giving examination, whatever the topic will be, that page will be in front of you in your mind, and you can write that thing using that. Means the paper will become open book examination for you. Guys, only once it will take time, but guys, it is going to help you. Many students have followed this strategy. I already mentioned you guys, every year many of my students are single and double digit. You can I definitely, many times I have seen the results onto the Facebook also. You can go through that. So guys, definitely these are the strategy which are going to make you clear. Obviously some students have doubts, sir, can you give us some regular strategy, because it is very difficult for us to remember the days. Guys, then I can give you a more foolproof plan. Definitely that plan, in first attempt maybe you feel that it is difficult, but guys, after first attempt you will be in love with that. Rather than doing this first second revision after week, month, you can go one thing. For example, you are going for one subject. Let us say I am teaching you, let us say one subject, SOM, let us say. So in the first day I taught you for 4 hours. You just go and revise. It may take 1 to 1.5 hours for the very first day. Okay. Then whenever you are going for the second class, then second day after the class, when you are going to revise, don't revise the second class only. Revise first also. Second day may take you 2 hours to revise these two classes. But guys, when you will be entering into the third day, what you will feel, that first class you will be remembering each and everything, and only 10 to 15 minutes are required for revision of that, and then you will be giving next 1 to 1.5 hours for the next class. And guys, in this way, if you are revising every day from the first class of that subject only. After the completion of subject, every page will be in your mind. You need not to again revise the thing if you are going in that manner. I have done that thing with me. I have revised in this way. My student have done this thing. Last to last year, three of the student I got in AIR 100. And guys, all of these three have said that thing, that sir, we followed your technique and not after examination. They said this before examination. Okay. Some more questions are coming. How much questions on a average should I solve for individual subject? Jack, it's not like that. Every student have its own level. So it is not a number. It is basically in this way that whenever you feel comfortable with some topic, for example, you are doing some topic, if you feel that you are able to make the question from that topic, then it means that your preparations are okay. Okay, so you can go in that way. That is the best way. Okay. Then second, I would like to tell you, just give me a minute. Okay. Next question is, good evening, Mithilesh. Hi, sir. I wanted to prepare for ISRO CSC exam. Can GATE coaching? Definitely, Akanksha, GATE coaching will help you, because GATE coaching, whenever the subjects are taught into the technical way to you, these things are going to help you in that. Okay. ISRO, it is image processing, so will I get coaching for that subject as well if I go for? Dear, whenever you are joined for any GATE coaching, for example, if you are joining Grade Up, you shall see the study plan of Grade Up. Grade Up gives the study plan, that how and in which way we are going to cover. You can go for that and you will be knowing about that thing. Dear, गेट के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने में टाइम लग रहा है, पंकज is saying, dear, that is, it means that your conceptual clarity is not there. First reason. Second reason, maybe you are not good at calculation. So guys, that thing you will get by conceptual clarity through the classes. And also, whenever we go for classes, we take seriously the concept, but we do not take seriously the question discussed by the faculty. Go for that also very seriously. When you will be going for that very seriously, that is going to help you in one way. And then secondly, what you shall do, I am telling you that also. Secondly, you shall do, guys, whenever you are going for that, secondly, you shall go for, after conceptual clarity, that when you are going for the calculation part, just whenever you are going for those things, whenever you will be practicing more and more number of questions of the same type, then guys, you will be having comfortable, you will be coming comfortable into that, and solve 5 to 7 problems of one type. And when you feel comfortable into that, then leave that. What we do, we solve one type of one problem and we feel we are okay with that. Yes, it is okay with those students who have already done the things in a very good manner. But if you are going averagely, then we shall go for 5 to 7 questions of same type, because they will give you confidence. Okay guys, as I told you, every student has its own strategy and their own own way they are going, so that thing different for all. Okay. Hi sir, I am studying for state engineering examination for last 2.5 years, but now I decide to prepare for GATE exam. Dear, definitely from that you are going to get help from that. Okay. When you are going for GATE examination, it is not going to take that much time, but the thing is, here you need to be conceptually strong rather than the mugging up things. Okay. Conceptually strong is requirement in GATE. Thanks sir. Does Grade Up provide? Dear, basically Grade Up provides separate batches, but for that, whenever notification out, then they start the batches for that. But nowadays, I feel soon they will be having some subscription model where the batches for ISRO Bark will be there. But better than that, you shall contact to the management team for that, because for computer science they will be giving you better idea. Okay, but it is same for all the branches. I have given you the general idea, but you can contact with the management. They will be giving you the better idea related to that. Dear, consistency, that yes, definitely it is very difficult to maintain the consistency, guys. For that you need to work hard, because motivations are required every day. Okay, motivations are required, self motivation is required every day. Nobody else is going to give you the motivation. You need to motivate yourself. If you have anything in your mind that you want to go to IIT, imagine your life in that IIT for one day. When you means feel that you have already got admissions into that, and feel that one thing, you will be having internal happiness from that. And then you know that is just you were imagining, you were just having the imagination of that, you were just thinking about that, then after some time you will feel, yes, if I want that life, I need to work more hard. Then guys, this will give you self motivation. Okay, everybody has different motivation in life. For example, some people have life that when you will be going for government job, it will help in our marriage. So that is their motivation. So have some motivation for that, that is going to help you. So guys, I feel this session got so long, as it was basically not scheduled for that much time, but I feel I wanted to give you something related to that. So I feel now you are clear how revision strategy should be. And guys, whenever you are going to revise, definitely short notes are helpful, but it is not a must. If you are going for your own notes normally also, without short notes, you can go for that also. Short notes is not a must thing. But yes, those students who are having habit to write the things, then they shall go for short notes. Those students who are having a habit just to revise from the childhood, they are going in that way only and they are successful in this way, no need to change your way. Okay, but yes, if you love that writing, you can go with that. Sir, I'm 25-year-old, can I try for MTech through it? Dear, definitely for MTech there is no age limit. After 50 years also you can go for MTech course. Okay, it is not very problematic. Yes, for PSU age limit is there. Dear, I feel if you want, we can. If you have anything related to that, you have some query, you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, it is already 1 hour we are having this session, but we may have different sessions of this type. If you will demand in comment box, so we can have such kind of different motivational sessions. Okay. Definitely, Harshal, in 2021 you can go with that. Yes, you can print the notes also. Definitely, you can print the notes also. But if you are making yourself, then there is no need for that. But yes, if you are going to have 2 copies, then definitely you can go with that. It is on you if you want to print them. So guys, hope this session is useful for you to some extent. I tried my level best to tell you some things, but yes, in between some sound problems were there. Because of that, you may have some problem. But I tried to give you each and everything. If you still have any kind of, dear, that 2 subject per day is not going to be a good idea. I shall say one ongoing subject and one other subject you can go for. Okay, and if you're comfortable with having multiple subjects in that, then you can go for all the subjects. Like 3 subjects are over, you can revise them. Okay, and just have 2 to 3 subjects, not more than that. Some student take 6 subjects together. Take 2 to 3 subjects only. Then after the revision of one, remove that subject, add another subject. Okay, nice. Sir, I'm okay. Sir, what shall I do, sir? I asked previously. Hema, please mention your question again. I feel it was missed from me as many questions are coming together. I'm MCA student done through IGNU. Can help me in jobs. I will say definitely that can help in promotional part also if you are already doing some job. Okay, but for different degrees, different examinations are there. You know that for MTech some JAM exam is also there, so definitely it is going to help you. But everywhere everything is not eligible. So for PSU it is for engineering graduate only, I would like to tell you. Okay, you shall go for some special branch like XC and all. Okay, it was helpful. Thanks. Test series and PYQ are sufficient for GATE CSC. Yes, Neeraj, they are sufficient. But first thing, definitely concepts. Concepts are required more. Sir, we are waiting for your term class and please explain, sir, how to get into concept deep like you. Okay, dear Santosh, I will be telling you these things in some other session. As tomorrow, Tom, I am going to take the Theory of Machines marathon session. You can attend that. That will be from 2 o'clock. Sir, can we have a motivation interactive like that once in a week here? Nisha, you can have. For that, you need to request in the comment section so that grade up team can provide you that. Definitely, we can have that thing. Please mention this thing as a request. This session is very useful for me. Thanks. Tamil Voice. All lectures are free. Akanksha, all are not free maybe. Okay. So, first time attempting this question, IIT seems hard to me, sir. Dear, first time it may seems to you hard, but don't worry about that. For first time, if it seems hard, don't worry about this. Okay, after 1 2 time, definitely you are going to get those kind of question, because for first time everything is difficult for everybody. But when you are attempting the class in a good way, if you are going to repeat the class recorded session, then you will get some confidence over the questions. Okay, so you shall repeatedly see the lectures related to concepts. It will give you confidence to solve same kind of questions. Okay, if you have problem in first time, attempt more question of same time. Okay, otherwise go for different types. Sir, can you send about enrolling the civil classes? Dear, definitely you can contact with the grade up team for that. They will be telling you Vision 3 batches right now going on. I'm showing you those slides also. You want if you want, you can contact to the grade up team directly. Okay, this is the same thing I already told you. So dear, this is basically Vision 2021 batch. You can have the number, contact number as well as email ID. Okay, I am showing you again. You can have the contact number as well as email ID and the features of the courses. They are equally eligible for mechanical, civil, and all the topics, all things. Okay, so you can enroll through this. Okay, contact number is with you, email ID is with you. Sir, please discuss about champion study plan. Jack, for that some different session will be there as my time is over. I cannot discuss on that, but yes, definitely some session will be there related to that. Soon, tomorrow or one day after, you will be getting notified about that. Jack, okay. Sir, I am Vision 21 student. Please tell where can I get your class notes for SOM and production engineering within. Dear, take my, I am giving you here my email ID. Okay, so you can contact me from this. It is dheeraj.sardana @gradeup.com. You can contact me directly from this. Okay, this is my email ID, and you can also follow me on Facebook. There it will be easy to contact me. Okay, sir, I am okay. Sir, is eyesight problem affects in? Yes, dear, but not for every post. For some post it affects. Okay, not for every post. Sir, my age 38. I am trying to join government job qualification ME. What will I do? Sir, what are the features of green card? For that, you can see other sessions also. Dear, definitely it is going to helpful for you in gate paper. Is there any chance of 2021 may get postponed? Maybe, dear Amardi, but we are not sure about that. Okay, so guys, I feel goodbye for this session. If you have any queries, you can see this, and also I am showing the next slide for the faculty teams in mechanical engineering. If you're going for vision batch, okay, this is mechanical team. Okay, and next team is for civil engineering. There's 4 faculties you can see, and next is for you can see electrical team is this, and next is EC team is this. So these are our teams, and guys, you can join any course. For that, I already mentioned you the email ID. Okay. Okay, dear. So we will be having Sai. I will be providing one session related to that also. But for today, as already time is completed, so today goodbye. But guys, for next session, I will be providing you one session related to ESC exam pattern as well as ESC exam preparation. Okay, just give me some time for that. In the next week, we will be planning this. Akanksha, note all the lectures are free. Some of them are free. Okay, so all free and paid kind of courses are available on GradeUp. So goodbye for this session, guys. Let's meet